Hi guys, Dylan here at Jordanbikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Honda CB500F, finished off in a really nice metallic orange and grey, so it looks the part. This one is a 2019 bike on a 69 plate, and it's done just 2,465 miles from new. The bike is pretty much pristine. We don't sell that about a lot of our bikes as we do sell second hand, but it's about as good as second hand can get. It really is nice. Over on this side, you have got a couple of extras, so most noticeably, you've got the carbon Leo Vinci exhaust, and you've also got a tail tidy too, which just cleans up the back end a little bit. Some sound in the baffle is in there too, can be removed if you want a little bit more noise. Full digital display on these bikes as well, and of course they come with ABS as standard too. So a proper awesome piece of kit. If you do fancy it, please do give us a call or come down to the showroom and we'll get your name on it. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.